When it comes to your business and running Facebook and Instagram ads, you don't want to waste your time and money on advertising that just doesn't work. Here are 3 of the most common Facebook and Instagram ad mistakes that are keeping you from getting the results you want, right? You obviously want more leads, more enrollments, and customers. The first mistake is not doing the research and understanding your target audience, right? Before you even log into the Facebook ad platform, you must know who's going to buy your stuff. What do they want and why do they want it? Secondly, you're probably complicating the entire ad setup process, meaning you have too many ad sets and too many ads. Facebook is no longer a toddler, right? Its algorithm has matured and is sophisticated, so you want to keep your ad campaign simple, right? Depending on your budget, maybe 1 or 2 ad sets, one targeting a cold audience and one targeting a warm audience, and 2 to 3 different ads. Number 3, most people are still confused about campaign objectives. Right? Facebook is objective-based advertising, meaning you tell Facebook what you want and they will deliver those results to you. If you want engagement, run an engagement ad. If you want video views, run a video views ad. If you want traffic to your website, run a traffic ad. It's just that simple. So I hope you got some value out of this short video. If you did, let me know below and I'll see you in the next video.